After PhilHealth President and CEO Ricardo Morales sent this letter informing the Senate Committee of the Whole of his absence at the August 11 hearing, Senate President Tito Sotto received another letter. It was from PhilHealth Executive Vice President Arnel De Jesus informing the Senate of his absence. The attached medical certificate stated that Jesus has been confined at the Asian Hospital and Medical Center in Muntinlupa City. He is diagnosed with It also stated that De Jesus is scheduled to undergo a medical procedure.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.